Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set a minimum order quantity for a products in the Shopify store. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I am using Nex Minimum Order Quantity MOQ app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Configure button from the product limit section. First thing you have to give is a meaningful title so that you can easily identify this from the set of roles. I'm giving a title as rule set for minimum order quantity as 5 because I am planning to give a minimum order quantity for as 5 for a particular product. So for selecting the product, just click on select products and add those products and just click on add button. I'm planning to give only one product and the minimum quantity as 5. So this product has to be purchased minimum of 5. Otherwise, the error message will be shown in the checkout page. So in case of the error message, either you can go for a customized one by enabling this and then enter those customized message over here in this text area. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled so that the by default one or the by default message will be available in the checkout page. And if you have any additional minimum quantity limit, then just click on this and go for the filling of the similar pattern. Otherwise, remove it. And if you have any other conditions, then add new item and then go for the configuring all those details. So I'm planning to give only one condition as this product to be purchased. Minimum as 5. So I am saving it and make sure that this role is enabled from here. And now let's test this up in our online store. So I have 3 products. We have select this product as the minimum order quantity role. So I am clicking on checkout. So I have added only 3 products. So you can see that the minimum is 5 and I have ordered only 3. Similarly, I'm just trying to increase the number to 6 and try to check out now. Now you can see that the error message has gone since our rule, which is the minimum order quantity should be 5, has been met. So this is how you can set up order minimum quantity for your products in the Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.